Wood. The perfect transition bed. The bed sits low to the floor, making it easy to get in out. It comes with two side safety rails as reinforced for stability with a center leg. All user manuals assembly tools are provided with the bed during purchase. Stylish design. The Dream on Me classic design toddler bed is ideal for toddlers as they make the transition from a crib to a bed. Minimalist in design, the solid wooden bed has gently arched head and footboards and smooth curving rails and beams. Safety first. The toddler bed is JPMA certified and designed to meet or exceed all applicable ASTM and CPSC standards. It is free of phthalate, latex, lead and BPA, and its design is ergonomic, stable and sturdy. Exciting colors. The toddler bed fits into any nursery theme, thanks to its simple classic design and available in 12 beautiful finishes. Choose from alluring shades including espresso, black, natural, pink, pecan white. Product specs. The dimensions are 53L x 28W x 30H inches and it weighs 16.5 pounds. It can accommodate a child up to 50 pounds. Choose any Dream on Me non-toxic, Greenguard certified standard crib mattress for a perfect fit. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. After looking around for a good toddler bed for our daughter, we finally decided on this one. It was a bit difficult to put together. At first we thought it would break right away, but once we were done it was really sturdy. It's perfect for her. She's almost 4 but the size of a 5 years old and can probably still use it for another 2 years or so. We got the white one so I wipe it down once a week and it still looks new. We've had it for about 8 months now and still no complaints. Definitely a great buy.